Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Nepali chowmein. So let's cook it together. Today I'm making Nepali chowmein, a dish that brings so many memories. Let me walk you through the recipe and share a little story about mom and her way of eating chowmein. First, I boiled water and added spaghetti along with some oil and salt. While the noodles is boiling, I chop all the vegetables like carrot, onion, garlic, cabbage, and spring onions. Once the spaghetti is boiled, I will drain it and wash with cool water. This keeps the noodles from sticking together. After that, I heated oil in a pan, added garlic, onion, carrot, chana, and I put lots of chana because I really love it on my chowmein. After that, I added soya sauce, tomato sauce, coriander powder, salt, and at last, chowmein masala. Back then, I only liked chana in my chowmein. I didn't like any vegetable at all, but now I add every vegetable available. And here is a little story. Whenever we went to restaurant back home, my mom always asks them not to add soya sauce because she believes that it will be unhealthy, so she always customize her hot. In our country, it is not unusual. We are friendly and people are happy to make food just the way you like. It's just like how in Australia you can ask for customization at restaurants, in some restaurants in Australia. Finally, I added the boiled chow mein, mix it all together and fry it for a while. Okay, this was the simple yet flavorful chow mein recipe and a little story from my life. Hope you enjoy it. Just like that, my chow mein is ready. I kept some for my tiffin and the rest I'm eating it now. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day.